Welcome to another Booking Koala tutorial. If you don't have Booking Koala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about Booking Koala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with Booking Koala.
Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove the Booking Koala logo from your emails. Let's get started. Click on Settings. Select Design Forms and Website. Next, click on Website Builder and Themes. You'll see the option to customize theme. Go ahead and click on that. In the Settings menu, find the option that says Powered by Booking Koala Branding. Toggle this option off to disable the logo. Don't forget to scroll down. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Finally, head back to the top of the page and click Save and Publish to apply your changes. And that's it! You've successfully removed the Booking Koala logo from your emails. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.